You just ate like the entire top off of it. What a mess. I hope to God she not like the shits later. That good? Oh, that's classic. You want some water? Oh my goodness. Mia. Let me go eat. No, you don't want water? Here, some water. Some water? Would that be helpful? No? I think it's peanut butter, that's why. Oh my goodness. You're gonna be sick later. Are you done? That's it? That's what happens when you eat the entire top off of it. Stay tuned to find out if I wake up in the middle of the night to ass explosion. I don't know what this is. I smell peanut butter, I think. Ooh, I gotta go. Don't eat that part. Yeah. Oh, that's frosting. I didn't know that purple part was frosting. I thought it was. Good thing I got the cupcake and not the entire big honking cake. Can you imagine? She's like, too stuffed. All done.